Hello everyone, welcome to Violet Kitchen. Today we are cooking owo. Here I'm adding in my pepper blend, which is onion, tomato, and the bits of curry. Here I'm adding in my smoked turkey, goat meat, and some snails. You can use any protein of your choice. Adding in some smoked fish. Some pepper. I'm adding in some boiled water. Crayfish. Please be generous with your crayfish. Some salt to taste. Chicken flavored nail cube. Cover and allow to cook. Here I'm adding in some smoked macrofish. Adding in some potash. So the potash helps the owo to bind together. There is no owo without potash. Please, when you are cooking your owo, make sure you have good potash at hand. Here, my owo is ready. I've took some out. I'm adding in red oil now, palm oil. So if you have watched to this stage, what will you eat this with? For me, I'm eating it with yam and boiled plantain. If you have watched to this stage, please help me to share this video, like, leave me your opinion at the comment section.